Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and today I'm going to show you a stretch for tightness on your back. A lot of my patients with back pains, they present with tightness on the muscles on the back. So I'll show you a quick stretch on how you can actually loosen up that muscle. First, I want you to lie down. So I'm going to lie down in the bed like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to bring one knee up to your chest, and then you can hold it here on your lower leg, or if you're having some knee problems, you can actually hold it on your thigh. So you're going to gently pull this towards your chest as much as you can, and then hold it there for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, you relax. I want you to do that 3 times on one side, and then you can do it 3 times on the other side also. Make sure that when you do that, you're not feeling too much pain. If you have pain, then you have to stop. All right, and so that's our quick stretch for today. That's your tip for the day.